Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to change quick access to this PC in File Explorer. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So, let's go. For this, you have to open your File Explorer option. To change quick access to this PC, you just have to click on here and click on this PC. You just have to turn on this button. Now click on clear, apply and OK. So this is how you can change quick access to this PC in File Explorer. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.